Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp error. This video is not available because something is wrong with the video file. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix WhatsApp. This video is not available error with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your WhatsApp app and device. Since you are unable to play the received video in WhatsApp, so the first thing you need to do is relaunching the WhatsApp app. So, give a fresh start to your application and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android phone. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp app cache and data. Whenever you come across any app-related issues on your phone, then once you should clear cache and data of that particular app. The same thing goes for WhatsApp as well. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause different issues, including this video is not available because something is wrong. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the error. Solution 4. Check if WhatsApp server is down. The next solution you can try to fix this video is not available error on Android is to check the status of WhatsApp servers. Visit the Down Detector website to solve the problem. Solution 5. Free up storage space on your phone. In most of the cases it has been seen when the phone's storage is full, it may affect the app's functionality. If your device does not have enough internal storage, this will stop your apps from running smoothly. In order to check the device's storage, you need to go to the Settings and then make a click on Storage. If you find that the storage is nearly full, then consider deleting unnecessary photos, videos, apps, and others to free up the storage. Or you may use the external SD cards to explore the phone storage. Solution 6. Ask user to resend the video. If you have recently switched devices or if the video is a bit old, you might not be able to open it on your device. In this case, you can always ask the sender to send you the video again, if possible. Solution 7. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp app. It's possible that the WhatsApp app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing WhatsApp. This video is not available because something is wrong. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. To uninstall app, find the WhatsApp app on your device's home screen. Then, long press on it, and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install WhatsApp app. Go to Google Play Store, and type WhatsApp in search box. Click on WhatsApp and then on Install option. To proceed further, click on Accept after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account and see if the problem is solved or not. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp error. This video is not available because something is wrong on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.